How to add and manipulate classes using NESApp. Classes are basic structures in schools used for grouping students from one level to the next level till the student graduates from a school. For NESApp to add classes, you need to add classes based on the school levels. As you can see here, we are in the secondary school level, which seems to be, in this case here, the highest form of education in this school that we are working on. There are other school levels that were added here. As you can see, we have primary, we have nursery. As you can see here, currently we have no classes in secondary school level. If we switch to primary, there are some classes that were added there already. So you can see here, because we're working with secondary in this case for this tutorial, the classes are empty. So we're going to add some secondary school classes here. To add a class in NESApp, you go to the top right corner and click on the new class. For NESApp or on NESApp, to add a class, you have to provide at least the class name. In this case here, let's call it Junior, or most schools say, okay, JSS1. If your class have division, for instance, you have a class called JS1A and JS1B and JS1C. You might want to separate the division by putting the division tag name there. In this case, let's say JS1A. You can describe the class further. Then you can also give the class a class level rank. A class level rank is used in NESApp to differentiate a class from a lower level to a higher level. For instance, in most schools, a junior secondary school class, in this case a JS1, is lower than a junior secondary school class, say JS2. To tell NESApp that JS2 is higher than JS1, you have to give, in this case now JS1, a lower rank, say level 18, and click Save. Let's add another class to explain that further. So we're going to add one again here called JSS1. In this case here, we assume that they are in the same level but different divisions. So we can still give it 18 here. We're going to add the third one here. Let's call this one JSS2. Assuming there is only one JSS2 class, there are no division, so we can leave it there. But in this case here, we're going to give it a level of 19. This way, NESApp knows that this class is higher than JS1A and JS1B. So that's how to add classes in NESApp. As you can see in the class listing view, you can see a class name, the description, the students that are available in that class as of when it was being used in this session and term here. As you can see here is 0. The class level here is L18 for JS1A, and this is L18 for JS1B, and this is L19 for JS2. Edit a class, you simply click on the pencil icon, make some changes with the name. Let's assume for entry into a secondary school level, and make your changes. So you can see here the changes have taken effect.